In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to set custom passcode faces on your iOS device without jailbreak or computer. So as you guys can see here, I have a Dragon Ball custom passcode face. So if you guys want to know how to set that, it's quite simple. So the first thing you guys need to do is just go into Safari, and in Safari what you guys are going to need to do is type in Cowabunga GitHub. And obviously once the search has loaded, you can just click on the GitHub here. And now once this web page has loaded, then what you guys need to do is just scroll down, and you can keep scrolling down until you see releases here. It'll say IP available in the releases section, so just click on releases, and from here you can just click on the IPA download here. You can get the source code as well, but that's not important. Just click on the IPA download here, click on download, and then you'll be able to see it in your downloads here, Cowabunga 2. And what you guys can do now is just go into any sideloading app. So I have a bunch of videos on how you guys can sideload apps, which I will leave in the top right and the description. But for now, I'll sideload using TrollStore, since to me that's the best way to sideload and there's no revokes. Also, I do want to note that this is for iOS 16 and before, and you can see the versions it supports in the GitHub, but I will also make a video soon on how to do this for iOS 16 Plus using Cowabunga Lite. But anyways, you guys are just going to open up TrollStore, and then you can just click on the plus icon here, click on install IPA file. You can just click on the IPA file here. It'll say a bunch of this, it doesn't really matter, just click on install. You'll see installing here, and now Cowabunga has been successfully downloaded. So what you guys can do is either just open it up on your home screen, or you can just click on this here, click on open, and so it'll ask you to share the location. So if you guys do want, you can, but me personally, I wouldn't do it, so I just click don't allow. And then it'll say Cowabunga would like to send you notifications. You can set them as well. Obviously, if you guys want, you can do it, but I'm just going to click don't allow. And also, you may get a third pop-up, which you can follow the steps or ignore. And personally, from my testing, it hasn't really made a difference whether you follow it, so it's ultimately up to your discretion. But also, since I've downloaded Cowabunga before, I'm not getting it popped up here, but you guys will see something like that asking you to follow a few steps. If you guys want to do it, you can. But anyways, now that you guys are in the app, you have to first ensure that it is running in the background. So this is for the other tweaks as well, if you guys want to, for example, make the dock invisible or anything like that. And what you guys are going to need to do from here is click on explore. And in Explore, you guys can also set custom themes as well if you want, but I think in the later iOS versions you guys can do that. But you can just click on Explore, and then you guys will see passcode faces here. So here are a bunch of passcode faces here that are automatically preloaded here. And so to just download any one of them, you can just click on this over here. It'll say downloading, and then it'll say success. And then now what you guys have to do is navigate to tools, and then you guys can see your passcode faces here. So this is the passcode face editor. And now you're gonna have to just click on the second button from the top right. So just click on this here. And now there's essentially two different ways you guys can load your passcode faces. So you can either go through your saved or go through your files. So if you guys want to import your own passcode faces, you can just download a pack online with the file extension .passthm, or you can also individually set each password icon using your photos as well. So if you just click on any one of these here, it'll ask to access your photos. And then obviously you guys can set it from there, but you can just click on this button here and then just click on save. And then you'll see all of your saved ones here. So since I already have it here, you're not going to be able to tell the difference, but you can just click on it here. And from here, you guys can change the size. So you can just click choose size and then choose any one of these. I normally keep it on default. And you can also click on this button right over here, and it'll show your dialer face editors. Inside of your phone app, you can also change how the icons look there. So to see if this really worked, you just have to click back on tools, and there's no respring or anything required. So you can just close on your device, turn it back on. And as you guys can see, once I click here, you can see here, if you guys want, I can do another demonstration by just removing this. So just click remove all. You can turn this off, turn this back on, and you'll see there's nothing here. So you can just put in your own passcode. And saved, Dragon Ball, tools, turn off. And then as you guys can see, my passcode faces are in fact there. Anyways, I hope this video helped. If you guys want to see more cool tweaks you can do on your iPhone, leave a like and a comment down below, and I will make sure to read all your comments and make videos based on that. Thanks for watching.